Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to start with letter K. K, 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 K. The story of letter K is Kiran gives a bottle of ketchup to her brother Kamran. Their father comes in the kitchen. He wants the keys. He sees a hot kettle. He says to Kiran, "Do not touch the kettle. The kettle is hot." K, K, keys. K, K, keys. K, K, keys. Next letter is L. L, 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 L. The story of letter L is there is a lamp on Laiba's table. After doing her homework, she watches a video with her father on the laptop. Now she knows that lollipops are not good for teeth. Laiba promises that she will always take healthy food in her lunch box. L, leaf. L, leaf. L, leaf. L, leaf. Our next letter is M. M, M. The sound of letter M is M. The story of M is moon is shining in the sky at night. A monkey is sitting on a bench and eating banana. It throws the peels of banana on the road. A man is going on motorcycle. His motorcycle slips off the banana peel and he gets hurt. He cries loudly, "Aha!" Next letter is N. The sound of N is N. 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 The story of N is Naveed is playing netball. Nida is making a necklace. Their father is reading a newspaper. Naveed and Nida see an egg on the ground. Naveed puts the egg back in the nest. Father gets happy. N, nose. N, nose. N, nose. N, nose.